خالق الأكوان زدني من الإيمان الله يا الله.
Ilahumma Allah. Allah calls out, is there another ilah besides you, Allah? Is there another power besides you, Allah? Is there someone else besides you, Allah? Everything around us is a living testimony, is a living invitation to make us understand the greatness of Allah. Every breath of air we are taking in, every breath of air, it is said a human being, 24 hours have passed. From yesterday to today, 24 hours have passed. Every human being breathed in and out 20,000 times. 20,000 times in the last 24 hours without thinking, without even pondering. Each human being breathed in 8,000 liters of oxygen in the last 24 hours. If Allah had to cut it off, and Allah had to say, buy your own oxygen. Ask the doctors, for those that need respiratory treatment in the hospital, 1 liter of oxygen costs more than 1 rand. If we assume it's costing 1 rand, you need 8,000 liters a day. So you have to pay 8,000 rand every day. Then what about your father and your mother and your brothers and your sisters and your wife and your children? What is going to be your daily bill for only the oxygen of your family? 6 billion insan on the surface of this earth, all are breathing. That is 48 billion liters of oxygen from this atmosphere enters this human being every day. The sweet oxygen comes in, the harmful and poisonous carbon dioxide comes out. Yet the level of oxygen in the atmosphere remains at 21%. Where is the storehouse? Whose system is this? Who has put this into place, that the plants take in the carbon dioxide through a process of chlorophyll with the light of the sun and replace it with oxygen in the atmosphere? If the level of oxygen had to go up by 1 or 2%, it is said the number of accidental fires will increase 700 times. If the level of oxygen had to go up to 25%, everything on the surface of this earth will be burned to ashes. So that in every breath of air that you are drawing in, which you don't even think about, Allah is inviting you to recognize the greatness of Allah.
Allah